Welcome to Mayron's Natural Beauty and Health Lifestyle. Actually, today I want to show you how to make my natural beauty mask. I have been doing this past 25 years. Actually, it's easy, simple. You can buy any food store. I'm close 16 years old. That's why I want to show you how can I stay young. Are you ready? For mask, we should have flour, egg, honey, and only oil, milk, cucumber. So simple, you can see everything here. So first you need boil egg. One egg. Why I have 2 eggs? Because one for you clean your face. For the boiled egg, so for you clean your dry skin. And for this egg, we will use to your mask. Okay? Let me show you everything what I do. Okay, we move this here. You need to have a little bowl for your mask. You need to have a little bowl, okay? First we need to get ready everything. Actually, I use this for cucumber. You can use a quail egg, just like the bird's egg, because you only use one third time. So, but today I didn't find out my quail egg, so I use this egg. Okay. First, you need the cucumber. Grate your cucumber. Look like this. Honey. Okay. We did honey. We don't have too much honey. Honey, you can put more honey. If you are dry skin, your skin is so dry, you can put more honey here. Okay. I put not honey always. Yeah. Honey here and only oil. Only oil. I put a lot only oil here because my skin is so dry. Actually, I put more of this here. Actually, I just show you now. Put what ingredient here. More. Oh, here I show you the oil and egg. Just need some. You for one times this, you don't need too much egg. Just egg I eat. Egg I use all egg. Yellow, including yellow too. Yellow is good for you, for your skin too. If you are dry skin, Yellow is very good. 네, I use half. Okay, enough. I want to transfer to hair, show you. Now I just want to show you what I do for hair. Now I transfer hair. It's easy to mix. It's easy to do this. So you have to mixed out. Now you have to mix out together milk, yeah, it's like that. Actually this one's for 2 times you can use, 2 times 3 times no problem. Nuts. Now, flour, there, you just try, okay? You don't want it too dry, you don't want it too white also, yeah. All this together. I think it's enough. I think it's enough. We see. If you put too much flour, so dry, you can add some milk, honey, oil again, no problem. Yeah. Actually, you can cook. Yes, very good pancake. Very good pancake. You cook this like pancake. Vegetable pancake, actually. Yeah, that's why we say you can eat, then you can do your face, bro. That is natural. Everything you can eat, you can put your mouth, that meaning you can do your face, you know. That is natural. Naturally. Mix together. What do we do now? So now we have to wash. Now need to wash your face. You put your hair up. You don't want your hair get too much mess. But actually, when you do this, for sure, now it's evening. Okay, evening do this is much better because evening is help your skin. That's why we always do in the evening. Don't do daytime. Daytime because I have sunny, have everything. If you do your face, you go outside, your face get more trouble. So when you do mask, when you do any mask, you better do in the evening. So now you need to, I just do like this. Look. So this is for very good for you, very good for your clean your eyebrow and your eyes, because you have daytime you have makeup your eyes, then you this on the oil very good clean your eyebrow and eyes or your eye makeup. So I do like this, okay? Let me show you. just use this. This one very good to help your skin. Yeah, anytime you can use. Yeah, for clean. Okay. Now do what? Just use some paper. So today I show you everything. I have been doing this for 25 years, but now since I know this, I only use this for cream. Not cream eyebrow. See? You don't need to use too much. Just a little bit is okay. Let's see. You can see here. Okay, you change. You can see here. Yeah. Very good cream. Just use this. You don't need too much. For eyebrow, look. So my show is two things. One is for my face, natural beauty, and other one is I cook. Yeah. If you like my show, please give me some up and subscribe, ring the bell. Then you can get my next show. Also, that's helped me grow up my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Like that, finish. For sure clean. Everything clean. Look, it's clean. Now it's clean. Now just use a little bit. So now I go wash my face. You can wash your face. You can do this too. Okay, get it. Clean your face. You can use this. I don't like to put too much stuff in my face. I only the sun cream. My face only put the sun cream. That's why so easy to clean. I don't want too much makeup for my face. Every day take lots of time. I'm lazy. Yeah, do that. You can clean all skin. This is just for clean. Now I need to wash face. Okay, I go wash face, then come back. See you later. So now you have to use this. Show you. Everything you can eat. You can eat. As I say, you can eat, then you can put your face. This, look, I go up, down, like this, you know, you don't need to, no, never do your face skin like that, okay? This one, okay, you do like this, but this one you need to do like this. You can use two hands to do. Just my hands is trouble, hands too much, so I only one hand to do. This hand already get trouble. This hand long time ago broke my wrist. My wrist is broken, that's why not easy for my this hand, but I still use it here, like this. The meaning this one need to go up, because there you have sometimes easy to make drink. So we need to go up, then this one go down, Look, this one put up, this one you can go down, you know. Yeah, when you clean your face, when you do your put a cream in your face, always gentlemen and follow this line, okay? This one, you always go this, then you do. Then you can go down, okay? You can do like this. Because there always a wrinkle, easy to get a wrinkle. That's why I'm 16 years, close 16 years old. But why I don't have too many wrinkles? They ask me, Jay, why you never have wrinkle? I can't believe. That's it. I do like this. You know, woman, I told you, woman need to take care of yourself. Nobody will take care. Even your husband, your kid, they're busy. So we have to take care of ourselves. Woman, you know, you have to your time. You have to give your time. Give yourself time to do everything, to do like this. You know? Yeah? Always follow like that. Follow that. Milk here. You can do it. Use milk. I always use milk. Wash my face. Milk not too much money. You know that. So, and in Canada, I love this milk. Very good. When you do eyes, this one you very gentle. Okay, very soft. I always tell you very soft. And you need to be careful. This egg, this don't put your eye. It's so hard for you. You know, you can't open your eyes. So you just go this way, follow the massage your face too. You can use this. Actually, you can use this. Everything ingredient natural. Naturally beauty, that's my channel. Naturally beauty, that's my channel. This one, you better put some oil here. Okay. Which one? Look. Now do what? Now do this. Look. Yeah, just do a little bit. So I like put this here. Put this here. Just do. I just use my. Just use my finger. Use my hand to do. You don't need to use something. Just use this. Put it here. Eyes there. When you put this, they will go up, down, you know. This, huh? Up, down. How many put? Just cover your face. Everything in your face. That's why I say you don't want to get too white. Then it will much come down like water. That's no good. And you don't want to get too much dry. You dry, you cannot. I'm so dry now because of egg. So dry is not good for you. Because you need the time. You need 14.5 minutes. For this one, you need 14.5 minutes. But actually, if your house so dry, 20 minutes is okay. 25 minutes is okay. If your house not dry, 45 minutes no problem. You know. Just actually you can say I will show you. I will tell you later. I will tell you later, okay? Also, you can put it there too. I do put it here. I know. Now you look is ugly, but it's okay. After that, you're beautiful. You know? For sure, you need it every week. Every week. Not every day, every week you have to do this. It's very, very good for your skin. That's why I'm close 16 years. Young, not old. I'm close 16 years young. I say that's my age, always 26. You know? Everybody asking me, how old are you? So I'm 20, 22, 23, 26. I will tell people like that. Look. You know, cucumber is like this. Then you're waiting for. Actually, if your house is not too dry, you can waiting for 45 minutes, no problem. But your house is dry, your face is fast dry. You may only get 25 minutes done. This in your hand. You can do this in your hand. Look. Today I tell you everything. I hope you like. Please, if you like my face mask, please give me some up. Subscribe my channel. That is help me grow up my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. There, you can do this. Then waiting for 15 minutes, 10 minutes. There is dry. Now is almost 15 minutes actually 50. You can touch everywhere. No flour here. Look. You can touch. There is dry. Because I put it 2 times, that's why I get more long. 네. Like this. You can clean up, okay? I want to clean hair too. You need to be careful. Yeah. Not too dry, okay? Don't. You be careful. That's why I want to show you how to clean this face mask. You can't just go to water there wash. That is big mess, and your eyes get trouble. Okay? You need to I will show you how to now. Okay? Right? And then just touch everywhere. My hair. No problem. You will wash your hair, shower. No problem. Okay? Just do like this. Just do like this. No. Yes, you need to take your time. Take care of yourself. How can I get 16 years and still young? That's it. You need to take time. You want to do this? You need this for sure 3 hours, 4 hours. Okay? No hurry. Just do it. You get it beautiful. Your skin will get beautiful. I know. Because I did this almost 30 years ago. I know. We finish. Now finish. Still need to put something. Eye cream and the face cream. Something. Down, up, down, up, low. Then shower. Finish your face, go to bed, very good sleep, then that is more help your skin. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye bye.